Hey everyone, welcome to this complete guide for day trading cryptocurrencies. My name is Jonathan, I'm a financial analyst and a professional trader, and I'm going to be your instructor in this course. In this course you will learn everything you need to know about this ongoing field, whether you are a beginner who have no experience at all or an advanced trader who wants to gain new tools for better performance. I'm absolutely positive that you will find tremendous value in here. Now I'm going to assume that you don't know anything, so we'll start from the very basic, but soon afterward we get into much more advanced knowledge and content. So even if you don't know anything right now, don't you worry, because by the end of this course you will get to a high level, you'll have a much deeper understanding, and more importantly, plenty of practical tools you'll be able to apply right away and start making some real money. I'll show you the way, all the rest is up to you. Now let's briefly overview the content of this course and what you are going to learn. Firstly, you have to know that there are 4 elements every successful trader must control, and here they are. Understanding the assets you trade on and how they work. Developing the perfect mindset and psychological approach. Having a winning trading system of when to enter and exit the market. And using a good money management method for handling risks. In this course, we will cover all of them, because if you take any of them out of the equation, you'll not be able to succeed over time. And on the other hand, mastering each one of them will inevitably lead you to big success. Simple as that. In the first 2 sections, we will learn some basic topics. That includes the essentials of day trading, what are the advantages over other type of investments, and what are the risks you should be aware of and avoid. We will also go over the basic of cryptocurrencies and what they are. I'll explain about this whole concept and the terms you need to be familiar with. The following chapter is about trading psychology. This is something you will not learn in most courses, but after going through this section, you'll understand what I mean when I'm saying that this is one of the most important elements in your success, and it gives you a great advantages over other traders who don't have the proper education. As you will see, it all connects together, and trading psychology is also the basis for understanding technical analysis, which is the subject of what we cover next. This is where I will teach you some super important tools. After covering how to properly read charts, you will learn how to identify the current market conditions and what are the best tools to use in each one of them. In addition to some of the most important indicators, I will show you 10 different proven strategies you can immediately apply for generating profits. Then we will get to the risk management section, which is another critical component. This is where you will learn about the mathematics behind proper money management methods. But don't worry, you don't need any background in mathematics behind elementary school. It includes extensive explanation about managing stop losses, using probabilities and risk-reward ratios to your advantage, and the importance of always getting a positive expectancy in your strategies. In the next section, we'll go over all the steps you need to go through in order to have a ready-to-go active trading account. I'll show you how you can buy bitcoins, transferring them, and what are the platforms you can use to implement your knowledge in cryptocurrency trading. At this stage, I will show you some of the very best crypto trading tools you should hold in your arsenal that will help you keep staying on top of the game. And lastly, the fun part, strategies. In addition to the strategies we go over before, I'm going to share with you some very powerful and practical strategies that professional traders use. We will see examples of real trades and learn how to optimize your profits and minimize potential risk while taking advantage of certain market conditions. In this course, you will get so many proven and efficient trading tools, and applying them wisely will definitely put you on the right track for long-term success. I'd be really happy to have you on board, and I hope to see you participating in the next lectures.